Hey everybody, so on this icy, snowy, refreezing night, I'm going to make some halibut, and I have that one of those yellow squashes, and I just put them on the griddle with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. I have mashed potatoes that I'm keeping warm over a pot of water, and they have some melty butter on top. I made just a small dinner salad with avocado, lettuce, tomato, onion, and croutons. These are our halibut fillets. I'm going to use this lemon seasoning from Saltopia. These are delicious and they are packed. Like they pack these containers. I have several flavors. This is the sunshine and grind, lemon pepper, and oh my, it says. So I'm gonna season them really well with this on both sides. I'll just do one side for now. This is what it looks like. See the lid right here, the indent in the lid? They pack them so tight that it fills the lid and leaves that indent on there, and it's hard to close back up. It's so full. I have a hot skillet. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And butter. As you can see, it's very hot. Turn that down. We are going to put our fish in, seasoned side down. And this cooks really fast. You don't want to overcook halibut because it will be really dry. It doesn't really have any fat. And this has all kinds of stuff in it. Garlic, salt, pepper, lemon. I have 2 small cloves of garlic minced up, and I'll use some lemon juice and butter at the end for a sauce. About 2 minutes on each side. You'll have that brown butter flavoring. Super fast and easy meal. Check our squash. Get a spatula. Gonna get my lemon juice. If you have fresh lemon, use the juice of 1 lemon. I don't, so I'm just going to use my Lucy's. I really like Lucy's for cooking. Well, And that is almost done. Gonna whip up my potatoes real fast. And there's always carryover cooking time, so keep that in mind. Done. So in our pan, I'm going to add some butter, 2 tablespoons. And the juice of 1 lemon or your lemon juice, so that's about a tablespoon. Garlic, well, your garlic minus the knife. Some salt and pepper, or you could use more of your lemon pepper seasoning. You could add some cream to this if you wanted to make a cream sauce. Turn that off. Get some of our mashed potatoes. Let's see if we can make this pretty. I don't know why I'm doing this a hard way. It's not been my night for the kitchen. There we go. See how fast that dinner was. And just drizzle that over your fish. And there you have it. Nice fish dinner with the salad. So I just thought I'd share that with you. This is our Friday night, snowed in, cooking what you got in the house. Not shabby. So keep prepping Stay warm, stay healthy. Those of you getting the ice storm, we know we had it last year. It was really bad. So hunker in, stay safe, don't get under those trees and power lines, and I will see you guys in the next video.